Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here, like we all know. If you do not know, hi, my name is Glory. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and when you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and just stay updated. Okay, thank you. Anyway, so ooh, this feels good. Oh, not just cow. Anyway, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I cornrow, or how to cornrow, or it's going to be a how-to video, but the difference is from a beginner's point of view to another beginner's point of view. You get me? I'm not really good at cornrowing my hair. I'm better at flat twisting. I'm one of those people that are good at flat twisting and do not know anything about cornrows, but I can cornrow. I know how it goes, so I'm just going to teach you guys how to do the whole hand movement and everything, and then maybe you guys would get better. Okay. So we're going to start with the video. Okay, I'm going to section my hair. I feel like my hair is damaged and I feel like cutting it, so, or trimming it, not cutting it. I feel like trimming it because I don't know, I don't know, there's just something about it. So now I don't have nails, so I cannot part my hair by itself, and I don't seem to find any, or I cannot seem to find any rat tail comb. I'm just going to section this part, or the part I'm going to be using. I've made my parts. I know it's not straight. I'm not necessarily trying to braid my hair or anything, so we're going to start braiding now. So it's time for the struggles to begin. Or the way I braid, I make use of my index finger mostly. I use that to part the sections. This is what the section, or this is the section we're going to be working with. So how I start braiding is, it differs for most people. It's different for most people, okay? So for me, I usually make a straight line part. Can you see this? Can you see it? Okay, and then I pick it up, and then for my left hand is grabbing the section I made. Okay, what next I'm going to do is I'm going to make a part and then use my thumb and middle finger to hold the hair down, and then I'm going to use my left hand, middle finger and thumb, and twist it and make a part with the index finger and then grab it. So this is what my hand is looking like. So I have two parts now. The first part is being held by my left hand, index finger and thumb. The second part is here. So yeah, now I'm going to use my right hand, index finger to separate the parts. Okay, and then I'm going to grab it with my middle finger and my thumb, and then twist it over and I basically put my right hand in between the two parts to make another part. So I'm just going to do it all over again. So yes, this is the third part. So you always have to have 3 sections or 3 parts. So all you do is, when you take the section out here, there's always one section out here, you grab it, you twist, and then make another section. So you grab hair as you go back, if that makes sense. So let's try this. So this is the second part. I'm just going to grab it and then twist this, so you can see the first and the third part. So I'm just going to put my index finger through it and grab the third part with my index finger, while my right hand, middle finger and thumb holds the second part. So you separate it, you hold it with your index finger, you twist your hand, and then you go. So try to make sure your parts are even. So you separate it, you twist it, and you grab. You separate, you grab, and you twist. You separate, you grab, and you twist. I really do hope I'm making sense and you guys are understanding what I'm doing. I do hope so. So yes, we'll continue. You separate, you grab with your index finger and your thumb, you twist your right hand and you put it in between, you put your left index finger in between the 2 other sections, and then you take your right hand, you grab the section that is out, you hold it with your index finger and thumb, your middle finger and thumb, and then you use your index finger to make a part between the other 2 sections. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to really make it slow so you guys can understand. You separate, So that part I just took now was kind of small. So in my next picking, I'm going to pick up like a little bit more hair so it's even. You get me? You hold with your index finger and thumb. You twist your left hand and then you put your index finger in between the two parts. And then you separate the hair. So you continue like so. You separate, you hold, you make a part and you grab. Separate, hold, twist, make a part and grab. Separate, hold, twist, make a part and grab. So we're basically twisting the hair in order to make a path for our other hand index finger to go through and make a different section, if that makes sense. So if you see what I'm doing here, you grab the section that's out with your index finger and thumb. Make sure you grab it, hold it tight or firmly, not tight. Hold it firmly or else your braid is going to be loose, your cornrow is going to be really loose. So you hold it like this and then you twist the other hand to make sort of like a path for this index finger to go through. So you make your index finger and then you push the hair towards the grabbing hand. You make the grabbing hand hold it. So I'm going to transfer all the hair to this hand now. So this hand will be the grabbing hand. So I'm going to separate the parts that is outside. Grab it with my index finger and thumb, my middle finger and thumb. So you twist this to make a path for this index finger to go through, and then you push the hair to. So now basically one hand is holding all of the parts. So yes, now when you get to the end, you continue for a bit. When you get to the end of your hair or the nape of your hair or the hair on your neck, when you finish grabbing hair, basically you continue for 1 or 2 rounds and then you turn it around. I'm going to show you guys, but anyways, now I'm done grabbing hair from my neck, so I'm going to just continue doing what I do, like so. And then you can easily do that to finish your hair, but I'm going to twist my hair, grab, and then continue doing what I was doing. So I'm just going to continue braiding the hair. So this is what the first section is looking like. So we're going to try this again. Okay, I'm going to make my parts. It's very easy making your parts. Let me try to explain it better. So your index finger, your middle finger, and your thumb are the 3 main fingers you're using, okay? So what you do is you make your sections with your index finger, you grab with your thumb and middle finger. So we're going to try this one more time. You make your part with your index finger, you twist, you see what I mean by you twist, and then you grab with your thumb and middle finger. We're going to try this one more time. So first off, you just grab the hair. I grab that and then I make a part or a section with my left index finger, and then I grab the rest of the hair with the index finger and the thumb. Then what I do next is I separate that part I made with my left index finger. I then twist my hand and then make a new part. Now I'm going to grab the new part I made, this tiny thing, this tiny brother here. I'm going to grab it with my left middle finger and thumb, separate it, twist my right hand with the 2 parts. As you can see, I'm holding 2 parts, and then I'm going to make a new section or a new part for the braid. So now this is the 3rd section. This is it. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I grab, twist, make a part, or continue with the first part. So this was the first part, this is the second, and this is the third. So basically I'm going to separate, hold with my index finger and thumb, you can see, take it to the back, twist this to make a path for my index finger, and then grab it with my, so the third section, when I put it here, I grab it with my index finger and my middle finger, like in the middle of my index finger and middle finger, if that makes sense. But we're going to try once again. So I make the separate parts, grab my index finger and my middle finger and thumb, twist my other hand, make a part and grab with my middle finger and index finger and hold it down like that. As you can see, the braid will start forming. So yes, I'm just going to continue doing that so you guys can see what I'm doing. So now I'm done with the hair on my, on the neck, on the nape, is the nape, right? Now I'm done with the hair on the nape of my head. So I'm just going to continue. And so I want to twist. Mind you, I'm not very good at cornrowing my hair. I'm like a beginner. I'm still in the beginner level because this is just all I can do. How to practice cornrowing your hair is you try as much as possible to do it yourself, and maybe how you can practice is if you want to wear wigs, you could do your cornrows by yourself, and that will actually make you better. That's what helped me get to this part, because sis, I do not know how to cornrow my hair before, but when I said like doing rubbish on my hair when I said doing rubbish on my hair, that was when I got better. So this is what the cornrow is looking like. I'm sorry my parts are not very clear because I cannot find my rat tail comb. So yeah, we just have to work with what we have. Okay. So yes, I'm going to take this down because I don't want my hair in cornrows yet. I still have one more video to make, so yeah. And if you guys want me to make a full video of me cornrowing all of my hair back, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure, or I'm going to try to film a video doing that. I've come to the end of my video. This is what it looks like. Let me know if this video was helpful to you guys or for you, or if it helped you in any way. Mind you, we're both beginners here, okay? We're all beginners. If you are like a pro, there's no need for you to watch this video. I don't think you're going to learn anything, but okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the view. Anyways, so I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also like this video. Comment if you think I tried, and if you're going to try it out, and if my explanations made any sense, which I pray it did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.